Hey everyone, it's Christy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would share what I purchased from the new Lawn Fawn release. I just got the rest of my order in last night, and so I thought I would share that with you guys so you can see what will be coming up on my channel before I put these away and get them all nice and organized. So I'm going to move these off to the side and we'll go through things one by one. Alright, so the first thing that I got was this super adorable enamel pin featuring the Yeti holding a snow cone. And this was free with a $60 purchase. You didn't have to do anything to get it. It was just automatically added to your cart as soon as you went over $60. So I'm super excited about that. I think it's adorable. The Yeti is one of my favorite images from this new release. I also did get a little freebie stamp with a note from Ivy for ordering from Lawn Fawn Direct. Then the first little set that I picked up was the new winter narwhal. I always pick up the winter mini sets. I think they're super cute and they're so great for just being a good value because they're so cheap and they're just adorable. So it's a really great starting point if you're looking to get into Lawn Fawn and you're not sure, you know, what things to pick, or if you're on a limited budget. These are very affordable. So, and they always have enough that you can create a little scene and have a complete sentiment. So I thought that was really cute. I love narwhals, and I did pick up the matching dies as well. The next little set that I got was the Tiny Christmas. I love like little tiny mini things. I love to paint like mini size, and I think it's super fun that Lawn Fawn has started doing these super tiny images. I just think they're super cute and such a challenge to use on cards. So I'm excited to play with these, and I did get the matching dies. You get a little boy and girl, a dog, and a Santa, and then a couple of sentiments. And I bought this to go along with the new Build a House die, which I have already used. I can link the card that I made with this in the cards up above there. But this is the Build a House die. I used it to create a wedding chapel for a wedding card for my cousin. But it's just so much fun to use. It can be interactive if you want it to. The door opens. You've got a variety of different windows to use. And I just think this is like a very cool new thing for Lawn Fawn. With that, I also got the Reveal Wheel Build a House add-on. This gives you the window that you can use with your Reveal Wheel, so you can turn the card and then the different images can show up in the window, like the boy, girl, dog, or Santa that I just showed you in the Tiny Christmas. And I also did get the Build a House Christmas add-on. This gives you a different style door, which I really love, and then it also gives you some things to decorate. There's a little wreath and a bow, and then you can do some icicles or some Christmas lights. Very cute. The next stamp set, I don't know, I keep saying these are my favorite because I really am in love with 3 of the new stamp sets that came out in particular. The first one being the new Mice on Ice. This is also kind of a little bit of a smaller size images, which I really love. They're a little bit bigger than the Tiny Christmas, but definitely smaller than the typical Lawn Fawn images. But I just think these are so fun. There's so many different like directions that they're facing. There's even 2 that are shot from up above, and you get a whole bunch of fun images. These are great for winter cards as well as Christmas, and I did get the matching dies. The next one is probably my most favorite. I go back and forth between the Mice on Ice and Yeti or Not. I just love these little guys. I know they're not for everybody, but I happen to just love them. I have always loved the Abominable Snowman from Rudolph. Rudolph is one of my favorite Christmas movies of all time. And so Yetis, you know, that's just the same thing as the Abominable Snowman, and so I've always kind of had an affection for them. So I thought these guys were super cute, and I love all the different ways you can dress them up and create scenes with them. And there's some really cool punny sentiments with this set as well. And I did get the matching dies. And then this is another set that I absolutely love. This one is called Christmas Fishes. I just think it's so fun and unique to do kind of an under the sea Christmas card. One of my favorite all-time Christmas sets is the Waffle Flower 'Tis the Season, I believe it's called, or maybe it's just called The Season. But it's got that merman that has like a knit cap on it and different fish. So this is kind of similar in that way without the merman, but you've got all these different fishes. You've got a kelp Christmas tree and some different little shells that are wrapped up, and just super fun images. A couple of the images don't have faces, and that's so that you can stamp your own, so you can make them look how you want them to, if you want them to be singing or smiling or winking or whatever you want. Super cute. Here Comes Santa Claus is hilarious. And of course I did get the matching dies. The last stamp set that I picked up this time is the Ho Ho Holidays. I just thought this one is so very versatile for Christmas. It's so traditional, and there's so many different things you can do with Santa and Mrs. Claus. You've also got the reindeer pulling the sleigh and the little Santa's bag there. There's so many different scenes you could create with this, combining other Lawn Fawn sets, which is something that I really, really love to do. And I did get the matching dies. To go along with that, I also got the Rooftop Border, so you can build the top of a roof with the little chimney, and you can even do some interactive cards with Santa going up and down if you use the Let's Toast pull tab thing. So that's super fun. I got 3 different card stocks. I got the new Speckled Eggshell. It just has like little tiny flecks in it. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's like a off-white with little brown flecks. Very pretty. I love that. I was super excited to see them come out with that. And then I also got the new Rainforest. This is a really pretty dark teal, so I'm excited for that. That'll be fun for like a non-traditional Christmas color. And then I also got the Pearlescent Vellum because it is just so gorgeous. I don't know if that captures the way that changes in the light, but it's almost like a mother of pearl that kind of changes from a green to a pink shimmer. Very cool. Excited to use that. I got the two new paper pads. The first one is the Fall Fling, and it's got all these traditional fall colors, and then you've also got the pop of teal in there. There's some florals, acorns, and leaves. These are going to be fun to mix and match. I didn't end up getting any of the fall stamp sets this time. It was just the trees and the Halloween, and I typically don't make cards for Halloween, and I almost got the trees, but you know, I was on a budget, and the other ones I just loved so much more. The trees are adorable, but I just, you know, it's personal preference. The other paper pack I got was the Snow Day Remix. So this one was released previously, but they've redone it. I'm really excited that they did because I always loved this one, especially this page right here, that bokeh on aqua. That is such a gorgeous background for your colored images. It's a great snowfall sky. Super cute prints throughout. So I'm excited that this one was re-released. And then the last 2 things that I bought from Lawn Fawn this time was the new glitter pen. So I'm really excited to try that out and see how it works. And then I also got the liquid Stardust. So this one you have to shake up. It looks yellow in the bottle at first, but then once you shake it up, you get that gorgeous shimmer. and it is very fluid, so I'm guessing a little bit goes a really long way. And then it's something that you can easily mix into watercolors and all kinds of things to give it that nice shimmer. You could even probably put it in like a spray bottle and spritz on your background. So yeah, that's the last thing I picked up from Lawn Fawn. So that is my entire haul. There were a few more things that I would have liked to get, especially the Flipping Awesome die set that makes that kind of waterfall style card. That would have been super fun to have, so that will be on my wish list for next time. But like I mentioned, I was on a budget, and I just thought the stamp sets would go a lot longer. You know, you could make more cards with that. I don't know, I guess the Flipping Awesome die, you can do that as many times as you want as well, but I just thought the stamp sets are a little more versatile because you can make all different styles of cards with those. So that's what I picked up this time, but I will definitely probably be picking up that Flippin' Awesome die as well in the future. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know which stamp set that I picked up was your favorite, and which one you'd like to see me use in an upcoming video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an absolutely amazing day. Bye-bye.